our channel. I'm Sarah.
I'm Heather.
And today we are going to open day 5 of Cinereplicas Harry Potter Deluxe Advent Calendar. And actually, where is the box?
I don't know, it's always here.
Let's see if we can find out where it is. Accio Advent Calendar. Oh, here it is. Alrighty, before we get into this video and see what day 5 is, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode every time we upload.
And just as a little recap, so far we have got a Gringotts Bank ornament, a wooden ornament. Very, very cute. We've got Harry Potter socks that look like Harry's sweater. I claimed them because of the initial.
Yes.
Hogwarts crest gloves. And then yesterday we got a Hufflepuff cup pen, and it's very, very tiny, very cute.
It's so cute. And then we shall all see together what we're going to get for day 5. Okay, this is day 5. Do you want to open it?
Well, I opened yesterday, so you can open this one.
Okay. Okay, day 5. So it has Gryffindor's scarf on it, which is really cool because, as we mentioned before, our friend Amanda has, she gave us this, and so she is a Gryffindor, so this is very fitting. It does say Gryffindor on the side too. Oh, looks like a sticker. Yeah, they look like decals. So these are really cool. These are glow-in-the-dark stickers. So we are going to have to find something to put these on because they look really, really cool. And we will go ahead and give you a close-up of these.
Well, that is day 5. Those are really cute stickers. So far, I have loved everything that's been in this, and I can't wait to see what's in tomorrow's box. We will see you then, and we hope you have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.